and welcome to another vlog style video. So you've read the title, you know what we're doing in today's video. I'm gonna be giving up my phone for 24 hours. So this is like the most random video idea that I thought of. I was like, let's do it, why not? I'm not prepared for it. I woke up this morning like an hour ago. I watched an hour's worth of YouTube because I was like, आज पूरे दिन नहीं करने मिलने वाला है. So let's just do it right now. Now I'm gonna be giving my phone to my mom. So my mom was actually gonna be doing this challenge with me, but then she backed out last minute. So it's me all by myself, and I'm gonna go give my phone. So the thing with me and using my phone is I'm very addicted to using YouTube. Like I watch a lot of YouTube videos. Instagram not so much, like I'm not a big Instagram scroller. I'll watch stories here and there, but nothing other than that. WhatsApp also I don't care about as such. However, rules. Okay, so I'm allowed to use my laptop, but I can't go on the YouTube browser. I can't go on the Instagram browser as well. I can access WhatsApp web using my laptop because I do have to like answer and like respond to a lot of people, like brands and stuff like that. So that, and I can do emails, and of course I can edit my video. Okay, so but I can't do anything that I would do on my phone, like watch videos for example. Okay, so I think that's basically about it. और कुछ तो है नहीं बोलने के लिए. I'm thinking ki how am I gonna vlog in my bedroom. So as you can see, it's like a new setup, right? There's something happening to my room. I'm giving my room like a transformation, and I'm in the middle of giving my room a transformation. So I'm gonna have to like vlog ekdam soch ke ki which angle I can show and like which background I can show. Okay, it's gonna be a task. Either ways, let's just go and submit the phone. Actually no, I'm gonna have to call Aditya first, and we'll get his reaction, but I'm gonna have to inform him ki I'm doing as a challenge. I haven't told anyone, and I'm gonna ask him to inform everyone else. Guess what I'm doing today? I am giving up my phone for 24 hours. Stop making a hair and listen to me.
Okay.
So I'm not going to be using my phone for 24 hours. Cool?
Fine.
Let everyone else know. I can use, matlab not for fun. I can use WhatsApp for. So today अपना Simbaa meeting होने वाला है. So we can do that on WhatsApp. We can do a video call. I'm gonna use my laptop. ठीक है? Okay. Cool. If anything important, call my parents. Bye. Why did you back out of the challenge and not do it with me? Okay, ठीक है सांभर. If I get any calls, if it's urgent, let me know.
How will I know it's urgent?
No, you pick it up, na? Whoever calls, okay?
You have to unlock your phone.
You don't have to unlock the phone to pick up the call. Okay, chal, bye. Hi, so I'm just having some lunch. I'll show you what I'm eating. So I'm having this big bowl of dal, 2 rotis, beetroot and some sabzi. So I served myself some food and I sat down, and then I got up and literally for 2 minutes straight I went in my room and I started searching for my phone without realizing the challenge, like what we're doing today. It was such like a unconscious thing, and it feels so weird to not have my phone while eating food. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Literally, like I feel like all of us are so used to using our phone while doing everything. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Just probably look outside. It's beautiful, it's raining. Just got done with lunch, and it was such a weird experience not having my phone with me. I'm usually not like a scroller when I'm having lunch. I like to watch something, like while eating there's something always playing in the background, and I couldn't do that obviously today, so that was weird, but nice also. Like I got to really like enjoy my food, so that was nice. By the way, it's a little bit dark because light gayi hai, so I'm just gonna edit my video. I'm just gonna go edit my video. Today's main task, like my main task for today is to upload a video. So let's get done with editing. So I've taken a mini break from editing. I'm having some chips and I'm literally just eating these chips, looking at the wall, just staring at the wall. I don't know what to do. I'm starting to lose my mind, honestly. And it hasn't even been that long since we've started the challenge. Usually when I'm editing, at least in the first draft, there's something playing in the background, like some YouTube video, something. And today I just edited it in blank silence, literally. Like, I'm done editing and I'm never done this quickly. So I guess it's helped me like improve my productivity so far, I guess. Okay, I thought I would show you my to-do list for the day. So edit and upload a video, as I mentioned earlier. Simbaa meeting, brief. Okay, I have to like brief people from my team. DIY laptop cover. Yes, let's do that. I think next. Mop and clean my house. Yes, I need to do that. My mom's gonna get so pissed if I don't do that today. So I have to do that. Upload IG post. Oh shit. Okay, let's get on with the DIY. The lighting might be a little bit off because यहाँ पे मेरा panel light लटकाया हुआ है, and otherwise it's dark because पता नहीं क्यों लाइट गई है और अभी तक नहीं आई है. So anyway, ये DIY के लिए I'm not going to be sticking those stickers on my cover. I actually got this really cool glittery piece. Look how stunning, beautiful rhinestones. So I'm just gonna stick this on my laptop cover. So there's actually a laptop cover on my laptop. I'm not like straight up sticking it on my laptop, don't worry. So I'm gonna stick this on my laptop and let's see how it looks. I really don't know. And this is what it looks. It looks so sick. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with the way it looks. I'll show you what it looks like in better lighting later. So just made the Corona Kada. In case you're wondering how to make it, I'm gonna link my what I eat in a day video. I show you how I make that. So I'm just gonna sip on this and then we'll get to cleaning. So I just freshened up, changed to something I don't really mind ruining because we're gonna be oiling my hair because my hair needs it, and also I feel like we need to kill some time, so why not pamper ourselves. So today I'm gonna be using the Mamaearth BhringAmla hair oil. If you've seen my hair care routine, you might have heard me talking about this hair oil along with the shampoo and also the hair mask which I use on the daily. This range also comes with a matching conditioner. All of these products are enriched with Bhringraj and Amla. I feel like you might have noticed that a lot of hair care brands tend to use these two ingredients. They're very popular and they're really good, but I feel like what gives these products an upper hand is the Sheerpak Vidhi method of extraction. I'll talk more about it in just a second. Let's just get to oiling. Okay, so as I was saying about the Sheerpak Vidhi method, so basically milk is combined with a lot of different herbs, and this process takes a lot of patience because it literally takes 3 to 4 hours, and also it takes a lot of precision. There's a lot of technicalities involved in this extraction process. So the oil that is finally extracted is this beautiful miraculous elixir that is amazing for your hair, which helps prevent hair loss and also premature graying. This oil is so rich and so potent that I've noticed that it's helped me improve the health of my scalp and definitely has nourished my hair. That's a given. I'm gonna make sure to insert an after clip so that you can see for yourself how beautiful and healthy my hair looks. In case you want to use any of these products from Mamaearth out, you can use my code Mridul2020 to get a 20% off. All these products are available on Nykaa, Amazon and Mamaearth.in. I'm just going to let this sit for at least 20 minutes, after which I'm going to go take a bath, wash my hair, wash my body. Excited for that, feeling super sweaty. And I think I'm also going to blow dry my hair because रात हो गई है तो मुझे गीले नहीं रखने रात. I have been a little bit overly cautious because I don't want to fall sick. So I'll do that and I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so just got done taking a shower. I mopped the entire house. I think you guys saw me doing that, and it was so frustrating to not be able to listen to a podcast or something playing in the backdrop, not even music. I feel like it would have made my work easier, but at the same time I feel like it could have gone the other way as well. Like I could have gotten distracted mid mopping and like started scrolling, quite possible. But anyways, now I'm gonna go and just upload my video, or rather actually I'm just gonna get done with the tags, the thumbnail, all of that. Thumbnail I make on my phone, like I use an app on my phone to make thumbnails, and now I'm gonna have to like figure it out how to do it on my PC. I have to probably do it on Photoshop. We'll see how that goes. I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Hi guys, we're having a Simbaa meeting by the way. कुछ बताना है कि क्या आ रहा है नया?
Stationery Kit 2.0.
Yes, that's true. Oh, even the planner, 2021 planner, we've started working on that. और क्या आ रहा है?
Home decor items also.
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay, so we're gonna go and get done with the work that needs to get done today. By the way, check out what the laptop looks like. Oh my god, isn't it so sparkly and so fun? So yeah, obviously when it reflects light it looks even better, and otherwise also it's quite pretty. I really like the way it turned out. By the way, I'll link the material that I used in the description box below. It's from Amazon. So I'm in my bed, I'm done with all the chores. Actually that's not true, I have all the clothes here जो आज laundry में से निकले to घड़ी, but I'm just over it. I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm reading a book about Ayurveda. I've been really into Ayurveda lately, so I'm gonna read this book. I've been meaning to finish this for a while. I've been like reading like 1 page, 2 page every day, but khatam hi nahi kar pa rahi hu because every night I'm too busy scrolling na. So today we can't do that. This was actually the part that I was dreading the most, but I'm really excited now. I'm gonna dim the lights, switch on the fairy lights, and just read like the old times. Also guys, check out this projector that I got from Amazon. You'll see it in my Amazon decor haul. It's coming soon, but it's literally the coolest thing ever. There are so many colors that you can change, and I really like this blue one. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys.
Next day.
Good morning. I woke up like 10 minutes ago, and I woke up, directly went to the bathroom, did my like routine, brushing, peeing, all of that. If I had a phone with me, I would have sat and scrolled for like half an hour straight, minimum. I used to actually be really good at not scrolling first thing in the morning, but clearly that's not the case anymore. So I'm happy about that. However, last night I slept very late. I think, what time did I sleep? I don't even remember. I didn't have a phone to check my time, but from what I remember, laptop pe maine dekha tha, I slept at around 4. I got so into the book that I just kept reading and I fell asleep. I don't even remember when. I didn't have a phone to set an alarm, right? So I woke up very late. I actually woke up feeling pissed because I've been hating my schedule. I've been hating my sleep cycle. I need to figure it out. Like, I'm so upset with just like my sleeping pattern and all of that. I need to figure that out. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change and I'm gonna work out, like stretch, not workout, stretch. I've been doing this since the last 4 days. Aaj mera 4th day hoga actually, so this since the last 3 days. I think that's gonna help me put in a better mood because I've been feeling a little bit shitty, so I hope that helps. So okay, let's do that. So guess what I just realized? I changed, I got the whole setup done, and now I just realized that I do that workout mobile pe dekh ke, like on YouTube. I don't even know how to do it without like seeing it. It hasn't been that long, as I said. It's been like 3-4 days, so I don't even know how the workout goes. This is such a flop. Oh my god, I'm so frustrated. I don't know what to do. Should I just like do the regular crunches and squats and let's see. So just having some lunch, rice and some lentils. Okay guys, so we're towards the end of the video. I think there are like 15 minutes left for the challenge to end. I'm gonna grab my laptop So I'm just gonna share with you guys all the things that I've written down in the process of this challenge. First thing was that I had no place to make notes. Clearly, I made all of my notes on my phone. I have this habit of writing everything down on my phone, like no matter what it is, right from video ideas to like things that I need to buy or whatever, like I need to write it down ASAP, and then towards the end of the night I'll write it in my journal. But yeah, so that was missing. Other than that, I had to get up every time if I needed to convey something to my parents. Otherwise I would just like call them or message them even when we're literally in the same house. So I had to get up and be like, hey, ye hai ya wo hai, jo bhi hai. Uske alawa, I was constantly fidgeting to find my phone. I feel like all of us are so dependent on our phones that even if kuch kaam nahi hai, we like to have it around us, you know what I mean? So I was constantly fidgeting trying to find my phone, and then I would realize that, oh, like you can't use your phone. And the last pointer says I was losing my mind not having my phone. I was feeling super anxious, which is so I didn't expect that, is what I'm trying to say. I did not expect myself to feel that way, which just goes to show I'm a lot more dependent on my phone than I think I am. This was a really good exercise. My favorite takeaway from this is that I got to read a book without being distracted by my phone. You know what I mean? I would read a book, but then in the midst of reading a book I would start scrolling and get distracted and just like keep my book like aside. So I'm very happy with that. Even tonight I'm so excited to just like dim the lights and read my book and not have my phone. I'm really excited for that. I honestly would encourage everyone to try this challenge out for themselves. It was a great one, I'm just gonna say that. Having said that, I'm just gonna end this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simbaa Lifestyle. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.